Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Today's video is all about green screen on Zoom, how to have a virtual background like this behind you on your Zoom call. Now, it's very simple to do. There's a few little things that I'll go run through very briefly with you of how to do it. But before I do that, I would ask you, if you find that tips like this can be helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button as well, because YouTube love that. If you can do that, that's fantastic. And then I'll just get on with that. There is a little video link coming up in the top in a minute, and that's how to share video on Zoom. Hopefully you'll find that one of interest as well. Anyway, let's get down to it. It's very simple. So you've got your Zoom call going, and you've noticed down here that I'm sharing my video. There's a little button there, choose virtual background. This screen comes up. Now I've already clicked that I have a green screen, and if you want you can mirror your video. I find it easier to run that way. Now if I have no green screen, you'll see at the moment behind me is basically a green sheet. What you will notice is there's no light behind me. The light is in front of me, facing towards me this way. I'm not saying that you want it right in front of you like a spotlight, but my light's just a little bit off up here, but shining backwards onto the green screen behind me. And the green screen itself, if you like, is as smooth as I can make it. It's not perfect. It's just a sheet hanging over some boards, and that is literally what you have to do. Then you click on whatever screen you want, and you'll notice down here there's a manual pick the colour background if the detected colour is not accurate. Now obviously I've already done this to a degree, but I'm going to change that. So you've got this little arrow here. You can click on there and it will take a sample of the green or the colour that you have behind you, because although it says green screen, green's best, but you can use other colours. You can click anyway. If I pick that dark place there, you can see it's probably not the best resolution for me, but if I pick a really light spot, again, it's not fantastic, it's okay. The two tips that you do need to remember as well: don't wear green, you will vanish. But there are a variety of different screens you can stick behind you. This one's quite a nice one. If I use that and just show you what it's like, then you've got the northern lights behind you. Works very nice. Or perhaps we'll have something a little bit different. Quite fancy being on the beach at the moment. Simple as that. Right, so just to recap, go to the video, choose virtual background. If you have none, you've got to click, it'll be on none to begin with, and your green material, whatever it may be, behind you. Choose the video you want. It might need a download to pick up this section, but it will automatically ask you for it. Then you've got a colour picker, and you just click on it on the screen to make sure. If I do that on, say, my blue, guess what disappears? And I suddenly have some rocks, or I've got the stretch out, and I've got the world behind me. It looks very weird. So that colour picker will work with other colours. It's not just green. I'm using green as an example because most people focus on a green screen being green. It doesn't have to be. It just got to be one colour, and a colour that you personally, as I said there, are not wearing. Otherwise you can get some quite unique visual effects where I've literally got the old world on my chest, or perhaps we could have the northern lights floating about, or the, you know. So the colour picker, choose a colour, try it out, and then you can run a whole video without it. If you haven't got a green screen, and I click there, I have no green screen, your computer does not meet the requirements. It has to be quite a powerful computer to work without a green screen. Green screen makes it very simple. So now that I'm in a tropical beach, I'll leave you with it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy the beach.